I'm here with another hotel review for you, and we're going to go ahead and start right here. You come in the room right here. As you can tell, it's beautifully appointed right here. Right inside the door is the bathroom. So as you come in, there's a very nice sink area here. Nice mirror, shower. We've got the Crabtree and Evelyn brand of shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Just great bathroom. Then you come out, there's a nice area here. You've got your coffee maker. Refrigerator is right here. There's the microwave. You've got some cupboards. There's a sink. Sorry, we just put our things down here. There's a nice sink area. And then here's the rest of the room. You've got a sofa and extra ottomans there if you had extra people that needed to sit down or you needed somewhere to put things on. Bed right over here. Here's a nice size television right here. Then immediately around the corner here is a full closet, and inside the closet I wanted to show you, it's got the mirror here on it. Inside of the closet, they have laundry facilities here. So there's the laundry basket, there's a safe, everything tucked here to put your luggage, an extra comforter, there's an iron and a full-size ironing board there. So everything that you might need. Really nice area here. Then on the nightstands, you've got the full-size lamps. But I couldn't find anywhere really to charge here. And so there's nowhere to really charge anything overnight. But across there, you've got another mirror with a desk. Here's another quick look at the TV area. And then a really nice thing is out the door here on the balcony. Isn't this beautiful? Look. And I'll tell you the secret to staying here. So you can see there's a full pool here, another big pool over there. It's just really nice, and it's made up of all of these separate buildings that have all of these rooms in them. And so this is called, the name of this hotel is actually the Hilton Vacation Club MarBrisa, M-A-R-B-R-I-S-A. Oh look, there's even a fire pit right there. And it's in Carlsbad, California. It's right by LEGOLAND, if anybody needs to know that. That's why we happen to be here. And it's perfect. But during the weekend, it's really like $350 every time we've looked at it. But during the week, it's $105 per night, which is better than anything else around. And look how beautiful it is. So this will work perfect. Even give you a little town animal here. But I'll let you know what we think by the time we're done staying here. But I think it's going to be just absolutely perfect for everything that we're going to do here. So I hope this is helpful if you're looking for a hotel to stay in the Carlsbad area, Carlsbad, California, or if you are going to go stay somewhere and there's a Hilton Vacation Club or another brand of hotel with a vacation club, that you can stay there much more affordably during the week. If you ever need to do that, of course you can stay on the weekend and pay more, but sometimes you just need something during the week and you don't even think that these might be really good options, and we get our Hilton points for staying here. And just wanted to let you know. So it's a beautiful place. I'll be talking to y'all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.